Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is my not so weekly update of reviewing some of my drone footage. My sister came down with her sister, I guess that would make her my sister, and some of her daughters. And they were on this boat and we tried to connect, and I was like, go to the top deck, I'm gonna try to film you. We'll do a cool drone shot. Never really worked out, so I was like, shit, okay, well, the timing's off. Let me go pester this tugboat and let's see how that works out for me. Yeah, I got a little too close to it. Not a fan of, the footage is great. I'm not, kind of regret this. Glad they didn't shoot me out of the sky. That's nice of St. John's tugboat. Very cool. And also this was around April, mid-April, I think. So Heather and I, at this point, were technically homeless. So we were like, let's just go stay with friends until they kick us out, and enter Annette and Travis. So we stayed with them, and it just happened to be the night of a rocket launch, which is kind of cool. So here we go. This was Starlink launch April 12th. And I thought this was really cool. Look at those shadows of the trees. How fucking cool is that? And how does this light up the sky? This was about a 9:40. I say about, like I don't know exactly. This was exactly 9:40 at night on April 12th. Starlink 4-20. No, I don't know the Starlink mission exactly, but how cool is this? They get to see this like 4 or 5 times a week. I thought this was really cool. Let's skip ahead a little bit. It lights up the intercoastal waterways. And then very shortly, oh, look at that. And then we get to see right around the 2:30 mark, we should see stage separation and second stage ignition. I don't want to miss it. This is all shot from my drone, which is pretty cool, but there's no sound. You could hear it from the ground, obviously, because it's, an intercontinental ballistic missile launching. And here we go, second stage startup. Come on. And there it goes. Now, this isn't a return to launch site, as no Starlink missions are, so that's the end of the video. I thought that was pretty cool. Thank you for stopping by, and that's all I have for you today. Goodbye.